Welcome to Textline's product demo. Whether you need to communicate for sales, support, or logistics, Textline can help you connect with your customers or your internal teams through text message. You can access Textline through a computer, smartphone, or tablet. Today we'll be showing you how Textline works on our web-based app. Let's see it in action. Your business uses Textline to handle incoming support requests and provide customers with order updates. For a new incoming text, an available agent can click Claim. If you're responding with a commonly used message, you can use a shortcut for a quick and consistent response. In the message bar, you can add emojis, links, and attachments to your responses. If you need to communicate with your team, you can add a whisper on any conversation. You can do this by clicking the whisper button and the message bar will turn yellow. And if agents need some assistance, they can always click transfer and select an agent to continue the conversation. Once a conversation is complete, the agent can resolve the conversation. If the customer texts back in, the conversation will open again. To start a conversation, an agent can click on the new message button and then enter an existing contact's name or phone number to compose the message and send. Textline makes it easy to update your contact's information. By clicking More Actions, you can access a contact sidebar and edit specific information. On the topic of contacts, you can import your entire address book to Textline and easily keep information updated. Simply click on the address book and import a CSV file. If you would like to send a message to all your contacts or contacts listed in a CSV file, a scalable solution is sending announcements. This will allow you to compose one message with custom variables to personalize a message, and it will be received by a mass number of contacts. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us by texting us at 415-849-4349 or emailing support@textline.com. This should be everything you need to know to successfully start using Textline. Now, get texting.